Hello fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today it is this beautiful gown that Veekee James is wearing that we will be cutting in this video. If it is what you're interested in, subscribe to the channels guys, like the video and drop a comment on the comment section. Now looking at this dress, the fact that she's the one wearing it, you need to look at it very well before cutting it. So a client gave me her fabric that she wants this gown, so I had to look at it, zoom in and out to be sure we are on the same page with whoever made this dress. Okay, so this particular dress, there is no dart on the waist. The only part that has a dart is the bust dart, the one by the armhole. All right, that is the only way they have a dart in this dress. Okay, so it is a dartless dress and it's cut full, so there will be some dart manipulation to be done before cutting the dress. Okay, so and this particular dress is not flay. Don't call it a flay gown, or how do I put it, it is not the down part is not cut flay when cutting it. No, the upper part is and there is no joining. All right, there is no up and down, it is just straight gown all through. There is no that, and it is not cut flay when cutting. They did the cutting straight. Analyze the gown very well. That flay part you're seeing right now, they are all joined. Okay, so let's dive into this. This is the fabric, she can wait. Okay, now this is 4 yards of silk flowered fabric. All right, the Veekee James own has beading on it, tiny beading scattered in different places, but she says she doesn't want the beading, she just wants it plain, so I'm not beading it. It's just make the dress. Okay, so this is the fabric she came with. This is silk. All right, and the silk is not that light and it's not heavy at all, so it's just in between. Okay, another thing is this fabric has tiny stretch, like you stretch it, there's how you place it, you stretch it a little bit. Now let's dive into the measurement. This is her measurement that I'll be working with. Okay, full length of this person is 62. I asked her what of the heels you will wear. She said don't worry about heels, I will not be putting on heels for this dress. So we went for 62. Okay, half length is 17 and every other part divided by 4, shoulder divided by 2. All right, now with this particular dress, there is no dart or the waist, there's no waist dart on it, there's no princess dart on it. The only dart on this dress is the dart on the armhole, more like the armhole dart. I zoomed this particular dress and I saw that is the only place that they attached a dart, more like to give it the bust more fitting. Okay, that is why they did that. So if you have a dress that do not have that at all, that does not mean before cutting there was no dart. So we will do our dart manipulation before cutting it. Okay, so this is my paper. This particular paper is length 40, it is not length 60, but I will be using it for my dart manipulation, and when placing it on the fabric I will increase the length. Okay, now guys, this is the cutting aspect of this video. Watch the part 2 of this video. At the end of this video you will see the part 2, that is the cutting and the sewing video. In that video it is complete, the sewing of the dress, the cutting, everything was done in that video. And please, if you can, subscribe and be a member of this particular channel. Okay, so this is more like the drafting video and this is my basics, okay, that I'm drafting out right now. Now having an halter neck that has a turtle on it, we are going for 3 inches. Mind you, there will be zip at the back of this dress. All right, then what I'm marking out right now is my waist dart, just that our normal waist dart. That is what I'm marking out, and that is what I'll be using. Now I'm opening this up because I want to use one for the front, one for the back. All right, now this particular dress has no darts visible that you can see, But when cutting it, we'll have to do that manipulation. But before doing that, let me connect my halter neck. Your halter neck, you already know. What you decide is your choice. It can be 3, it can be 2.5, it can even be 2. The more tiny, it is your choice. Now I've made it halter. This is looking halter already. Next thing is to cut at the waistline. Yes. Why did I do that? I thought you said there is no cutting on by the half length. Yes, but there's things to be done before placing it. So what I did now is attach 1 inch to the side. Come here, connect it straight to the mid hole armhole. What am I doing? That is meant to be, I'm transferring the dart. Okay, so this part will be cut off and this will serve as our dart. The original dart will not be used anymore. We invented another dart and that is what we cut now. The same thing to the back down. Come here at the waist, attach 1 inch. That is 1 inch. I extended it. Alright, because of the 1 inch I'll be taking away from the dart. Now, for this one, 4 inches after the hip line. Mark it and that is where you connect. 4 inches after the hip line, you see that? You mark it and you use your rule and connect it 4 inches. Okay, this is it. Now having it this way, all these parts will be cut off. When you cut it off, get your tape and place it back. You can see how I placed it. Use sellotape and hold it down. Now when holding it down, concentrate on that upper part. Forget about the waist. The waist has shortened. I know we will increase it when times comes. But concentrate on where I am cutting right now. Let it be even. Okay? When using your tape to hold it together. Now the upper part is ready. Let's move to the down part. The same thing we did here is what we will equally do at the down part. All right, now the part 2 of this video, let me say it again, has the sewing, the outcome of the dress. Every little detail you need for this particular dress is on the part 2 of this video, so make sure you watch the part 2. So you place it this way. All right, hold it very well this way. Okay, the same way, forget about the waist, concentrate on the down part. The down part should be even. Here where my hand is should be even. Make it to be even. Forget about the waist. Any shortage on the waist will be handled later. So you place it well and use your tape, any tape you have, and hold it down. Now, having gotten this, you place them back together because we will be cutting a dress that does not have joining at the waistline. Okay, so you use your tape and hold it together. Now, looking at this particular pattern, you can see it is shortened by the side of the waist. By the waist, you can see here has space. So that place that have space, after holding every other part, we just get pieces of paper and place it in between. Okay, use tape and hold it down. Fill up that space. You fill it up. You fill it up. Okay, so this is it. You fill it up. Perfect. Okay, this is how it looks. Connect it back and cut out any excess that you have there. Good, this is it. Now it is ready. Okay, you can see that. So guys, remember, if you have any question, feel free to drop it on the comment section and make sure you watch the part 2 of this video. That is where you'll be seeing all the sewings done, the cutting, the invented flay, every part. So this is the front, which is ready. The next thing for us to do is start with the back of our dress. So this is the back and I just marked out the basics. So the same thing, neck width 3. Now the difference between the back and the front, the back now have a zip. There's a zip on the back, so that is the difference. And the neck width is the same. The neck depth I went for 1 inch. Okay, so the next thing is for us to mark our dart. All right, and connect it straight down. Mark your dart, you connect it right at the waist. We are taking half inches as usual for your dart intake. Then you equally mark it. Go down, connect. Good. Now our waist is ready. Now the same thing we did, alright, we need to make it halter by using this. Let's make it halter. Good, this is it. The next is to cut. Okay, now for you to cut, you place it this way, connect it straight down, hold it by the waistline, and you cut. The same cutting we did at the front will equally be done here. Okay, but first let's cut the waist first. Now the same 1 inches you extended it before, the dart must be done. Before any other thing, extend it by the waist by 1 inches. Now marking of this pattern, I did not add any sewing allowance. Bear in mind. Make sure you watch the part 2 of this video. This part 2 of this video is full detailed. It is well detailed. So make sure to watch the part 2 of this video. So the same 1 inches to the down part 2 before you start with the markings of the dart. Now this is transferred. We are transferring the dart from where it should be to this part. Okay, that is what we did. That is dart manipulation. You can do it anywhere you want it, but especially when you're trying to make a dress that does not have darts. Okay, so with this, our dress is ready. Then you place it. Remember, the down part must be even. Good. Place it. Make sure they are equal before you cut. Get your tape and hold it down. Get your tape and hold it down. Position it well before using the tape. That is it. This part too, you hold it down. Now it has been held down. So the next thing is for us to, cut this halter part of it. So it will look halter. Give us the halter neck. Now the upper part of this one is ready. This is the back, upper part. Let's move to the down part of the skirts, of the gown, sorry. Make sure it is even here. Okay, place it here that the tape, it should be equal right there. Then you move it in and hold it back. The shortage at the waist, the same thing we did to the front is what we do to the back. Okay, the same thing, no difference. You place it well here. Hold. It shouldn't move, so you need to hold it perfectly well. This way. Now you can see this shortage man looking at it. All you equally need is hold the other parts. Make sure they are even and get the, hold it very well. Then you get paper to fill in the space that is open. Fill it up and use tape to hold it. Okay, good, we are done. After doing all this, we'll take out the excess, the paper that is left on that side. Take out the excess. Now on the zip part, for this dress not to budge, we need to measure, take out right at the waist. I'm taking out 3/4 inches, all right, and connect it this way. I do not want the back of this dress to budge for any reason, especially at the waist line at the back. So that is why I'm doing this. You can take up to 1 inches. For this dress, I took out 3/4 inches and I connected it, so I'll just cut this out, okay, to give the dress more shape at the back. Cut this part out. All right, now what it means is my zip allowance will have to go in by 1 inches more. Okay, that is what it means. This is the new zip allowance. Okay, this is the new zip allowance. Good. So with this, I'll just place it on the fabric and cut. So guys, this is our back and front. The next is to place it on the fabric. Make sure you watch the part 2 of this video. The part 2, I'll be attaching it to the end of this video, or if you go to my channel, you will see the part 2. It is full and well detailed. The sewing, the outcome, the cutting, everything done on this dress is on the part 2, which you can access on my channel or on the next video.